Every single time I do these one-on-ones, I don't even know what rubbish I say because ना तो मेरी English ठीक है ना मेरी हिंदी ठीक है. There are two new additions to the family. First one, this big rubber plant, and the second one is this jade. It's so stunning, it's so tall, and I got it at a really great price point, which is of course an addition. But imagine like rubber plants takes really long to grow, right? So this has like 19 leaves. Even if I take 2 like months for a new leaf to come in, it's almost 4 years old, which is crazy to me that it's 4 years old. It's a 4-year-old baby. Stunning. I just hope that I don't kill it. And क्योंकि jade मैं already पहले ही मार चुकी हूँ because I overwatered it and they need very 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 little water. But I hope ये चले. And I have also moved like all of the plants to this side of the table and nothing's there. Yeah, I'm very closer to the vision. All I need is one big plant in that corner. बाकी बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. This was long due कि मुझे एक overhead tripod लेना था. But I realized that मेरे पास चीज़ें हैं. Like I had this clamp, I had this rod, and I have a like professional tripod. So जितने भी आप overhead shots आज देखोगे वो सब इसी से हुए हैं. Another thing I'm glad I figured it out is because I want to get more aesthetic shots and I'm still getting used to it. It's flimsy for me, like this is just moving around, but I'll find a way to fix this and make it like more permanent. It's Monday today, which is my chutti day, but I still had a meeting which I had to step out for, and there are some things which I bought along the way, so I'm going to show you that. And there are a few Amazon parcels which are all essentials I ordered, and I'm going to open and show it to you. I'm not the best at like showing what I got or like unpackaging stuff, but let's start with Amazon first. I know what this is. This is a small dustbin for my room. What even is the point of this cling wrap? अच्छा कि खुले ना. Stupid of me. घर के सामान और घर के काम कभी खत्म नहीं होते. Door seal. That's my Amazon haul. Now I got few bowls and a mug. This is from a local vendor. See how cute. I got 2 of them. That's it. That was my mini haul. I also got a tank top from H&M. Just this. Very basic. It's nice quality. The movie I'm watching tonight is Bad News.
Easy. Use that vehicle to bend this how.
Same Ananya, same. What is this? ऐसा हो सकता है? मुझे नहीं पता. Oh, sorry. This is the movie. I'm late to the party. मैं movies late ही देखती हूँ जब वो Netflix या Prime पे आ जाती है. But ऐसा हो सकता है. This is so funny.
God.
On a realistic note, it's literally 2:45. I've been trying to go to sleep since like 11:30 to fix my sleep schedule and I just can't go to sleep. I don't know what's up. All these YouTube ideas keep coming, okay? Like I'm constantly thinking about what I can do next, how I can edit. Sometimes I get in this creative zone, of course at the most random hours of the day. मुझे आइडिया आ रहा है कि मैं एक वीक एवरी डे पोस्ट करने का चैलेंज लेती हूँ, 100 days का. एंड आई डोंट डू वेल विद चैलेंजेस. इफ आई लाइक मेक a challenge with myself, 110% it's not gonna happen. But if I just do it without like giving it too much thought, तब वो चीज़ हो जाएगी. अब मैं ये सोच रही हूँ that is my life even that interesting to like make a vlog every single day, because Saurav Joshi keeps coming up on my For You, okay? And I'm seeing all these vlogs, and then I actually checked his page out for the very first time, and I saw that he posts like every single day. And I'm someone who doesn't have a very big, I'm not a goal setting person, okay? I am very much like कि जो अच्छा लगा वो किया, वो कंटिन्यू किया. अगर नहीं अच्छा लगा तो फिर वो day one से पता होगा मुझे कि it's not for me. Then I was also watching some other like YouTubers. I've gotten really into YouTube these days. Like growing up, I was not the YouTube kid. Like I know a lot of my friends used to watch like Lily Singh. They used to watch, I don't know, like Emma Chamberlain. People still do. Some of my friends still do. But I never belong to that category. All of this is really new to me. But I'm loving watching even my own vlogs sometimes, which are like really nicely edited. And I'm loving watching other creators like travel, lifestyle, and how just people are putting like even unedited stuff and really raw stuff, like they're just picking up a topic and talking about it based on their life, their lifestyle, their thoughts, opinions, and everything. हाँ यार, I feel like I'm a really boring person. I need to do more. I don't know. I feel like I'm too weird. I'm gonna go order stuff from Amazon. See you in the morning. Good morning. I slept at 3:30 and I woke up at 8:30. So I guess that should fix my sleep schedule. बालकनी गंदी हो गई है, इसका मतलब बारिश आई थी. I have to clean that up. आजकल मैं बाहर गद्दे पे सो रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक बनाया नहीं है ना बेड, because on the mattress inside on the bed my lower back starting to hurt a lot. एक दिन just ऐसे ही change करने के लिए मैं बाहर सोई and then वो fix हो गया एकदम से. I was like उससे दर्द fix हो गया है. And also AC सिर्फ इस रूम में है, so कभी चलाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है because it's practically summers now, but I've been sleeping outside on the mat. 8:30 is really early for me to wake up, but घर का काम बचा हुआ है. Also want to make lunch and all. The reason why I don't wake up early is because I don't know what to do with my life. Like I'm really clueless. Like I wake up at 8:30, I use my phone and I'm like, अब क्या करूँ? What is left in life? अब मेरे को जल्दी उठना try करना पड़ेगा because I really want to change my schedule and I also want to start working out in the mornings. But I first am going to fix my sleep. कुछ लोगों को ऑफिस 9 बजे होता होगा, कोई देख रहा और कह रहा है 9 बजे उठ के एक्सरसाइज कैसे होगी, तो आपका ऑफिस 9 बजे होता होगा, मेरा 11:30 से स्टार्ट होता है. बट मेरा फिर 5 बजे ख़त्म नहीं होता, मेरा 7 साढ़े 7 तक चलता है. डिफरेंट 8 hours. Just as a normal person does, I was just adoring my plant and seeing how well it's growing, right? And to my surprise, look what I found. It's growing a flower. Oh my god. This feels like such a big win. I wish मेरे पास इसकी पिक्चर होती जब मैं इसको लाई थी तो ये कैसा था और आज ये कैसा है. This is going to be the highlight of my week. And it has blue flowers. Cutie! इसको इसलिए बाहर रखा है क्योंकि रबर प्लांट का सॉइल जो है ना वो बिल्कुल भी गीला नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा पानी नहीं होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी वेल ड्रेनिंग। बट फॉर सम रीज़न ये वाली मिट्टी सूखी नहीं है, जो तुमने परसों से पानी डाला था। सो अब मैं बाहर इसे रखा है ताकि इसकी मिट्टी थोड़ी सी सूख जाए हवा वगैरह से। चेक
सर्टिफिकेट निकाल।
भैया बस 2 गाजर दे दो
20 करो
और 1 पाव टमाटर भी कर देना। थैंक यू जी। सी हर दिन ऑफिस के बाद एक एजेंडा होता है कि आज क्या टैकल करना है। टुडे द एजेंडा इज टू मील प्रेप बिकॉज आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट आई हैव बीन ईटिंग फॉर लास्ट 7 days, so I always like to have 3 dishes which just in rotation becomes my lunch, breakfast and dinner. सब्जी में अभी आते हुए नीचे से लेके आई हूँ। फ्रूट सिलेक्शन के लिए मैंगोज अभी आना स्टार्ट नहीं हुए हैं। इंडियन आम मतलब लिटरली 3 साल बाद खाऊंगी, so there are going to be tears in my eyes and on my face and I'm going to cry a lot. But watermelon and I got papaya, which is papita, and also it rained in the morning, so it's like really cold. मन तो मेरा था कि मैं पकौड़ी राइस बना लूँ because I'm a चटोरी. All I can think about is really like outside food and just eating 24/7. I don't know कि बनाऊँ कि नहीं, but खाना तो मुझे बनाना ही है. So that's the agenda. So let's get going. Every single time I do these one-on-ones, I don't even know what rubbish I say because ना तो मेरी इंग्लिश ठीक है ना मेरी हिंदी ठीक है.
ओके आपको जस्ट देखा ना देखा।
यहाँ पर पास्ता भी बन गया है, सांभर भी बन गया है, वाटरमेलन फ्रूट्स वगैरह है ही सही। डोसा बैटर फ्रिज में है विच इज़ ऑल्सो इडली बैटर मिक्स, तो वो हो जाएगा। ऑल्सो पुलाव है फ्रिज में जो कि लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट लंच वट एवर हो जाएगा। एंड आई थिंक आई एम ऑल सेट। आई एम टायर्ड। इट्स लाइक व्हाट 10:42. It took me almost 1.45 hours. Whatever. I don't know what I'm saying.